Service is a snap at Herb Gordon Auto Group. What's our proven formula for success? 40 years of serving the community with over 1,000 years of Mercedes-Benz employee experience. Gary, Bill, and Rocio invite you to take advantage of the tremendous service and parts specials on now at Herb Gordon Auto Group. Don't be fooled by competitors' advertised specials with hidden fees. We know our customers expect service at competitive prices. To demonstrate our commitment to you, we will match any offer from any authorized Mercedes-Benz retailer. Ensure safe and efficient operation of your brake system when you take advantage of 15% off any brake repair or service. We even have 15% off any scheduled maintenance service. Don't lose your grip on the road. Get your tires checked today. Purchase 4 new from us and grab a free mount and balance. Don't forget about our vintage service. If your Mercedes-Benz vehicle is 10 years or older, take 15% off any service work. Are you looking for an easier way to schedule your next service appointment? Herb Gordon Auto Group offers online appointment scheduling, available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Ask your service professional about other fantastic savings, and don't forget about our free shuttle service to the Silver Spring Metro Station, after hours and early bird drop-off, Saturday service, and more. Herb Gordon Auto Group. Why service anywhere else? Conveniently located off Route 29 at 3161 Automobile Boulevard in Silver Spring.